Well, no big surprise here in the emini S&P today. The market has just continued this upward bias that it has had for some time, and it went up and hit above 72 today, and then pulled back considerably off of that high. Um, and so the market here really is likely to is likely to pull in a little bit before moving up again. So we're looking at around 63 as support, and maybe even down to about 58. By the way, these are the market profiles. We always like to use these when we're examining the market's condition on a day-to-day basis. This is today's profile. This is what occurred overnight, and this is what occurred on Friday. So the one in the middle here is really what occurred in the overnight session. So this profile over here you're seeing on the right also has a volume profile, and that's what occurred today during the regular trading hours, which is from 9:30 a.m. to 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, U.S. New York time. So the market is obviously maintaining this upward auction, and no reason to believe that it's over. As long as the market can hold above initially 63 and then 58, the up auction is still good to go, and those are areas that we would look to try and get long. Here you can see the market profiles on the regular trading hours only, and of course you can see that big gap in there. As far as our trades were concerned today, let's take a look at those. You can see we had early couple of trades here, another long trade here, another long trade here. We did have a short trade very late in the day. It was not filled. It was only triggered in the last 5 or 10 minutes, so no trade there. So this first trade we were able to get long in the market right here, right after the open, and that was along from 63.75. So we're able to hold on to it. This trade here never was filled. This trade here we were already long, so there was no trade there. So we actually had two trades today. This trade here and then this trade here. And both of them worked very nicely. This first trade moved a maximum 4 points in our favor, which was nice, obviously reaching our first two objectives. And this one we were able to hold right onto the high, and that moved in our favor 3.25 points. So that was the maximum move on each one of those trades. So when you take a look at just trading our basic contracts here, 4 contracts using our basic 3-tick and 6-tick objective for the first half and then 1/4 of the position, we had a nice $500 day to start the new year. So that was good to see. Any questions or comments, don't hesitate in getting a hold of us. We can be reached at info@emini Daytrader, and of course our phone number is also on the website. So if you would like to get a hold of us, please do so. We encourage it and look forward to hearing from you. Otherwise, that'll be it for today. Support areas, as I mentioned, with still an upward bias in the market. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.